ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। अस्तु अद्य विनायकस्य नामानि तदनन्तरं कार्तिकेयस्य नामानि च पठामः। विनायको विघ्नराजद्वैमातुरगणाधिपाः अप्येकदन्तहेरम्बलम्बोदर गजाननाः। रुक् महोदय, रुक्मिणी महोदय क्षम्यताम् तत्र रुक् इति अस्ति।
That's okay. Chinta mastu mहोदये.
My mother is also Rukmini, so everybody calls her. Yeah, everybody calls her Ruku only.
That's okay. I'm probably as old as your mother-in-law.
महोदय गतकक्षाया you said that one karma koti to Chamunda
That we will do later. Actually, I checked. It is after Kartikeya's Nama. Just before taking up Indra's names, that time it will come. We will do that.
Astu Mahodaya.
So Vinayako Vignarajadvaimaturaganaadhipaha Apyekadantahirambalambodhara gajananaha Vinayakaha Vignarajaha Dvaimaturaganaadhipaha Api Ekadanta Heramba gajananaha. So Vinayakaha Visarga Sandhi Utvam and then followed by Okara Deshaha. Vignaraja Dvaimatura Ganadipaha. There's no Sandhi here, it's like a Samasa Padam. And since there are so many, it ends as a Bahuvachanam. Api Avyayam. Api Ekadanta. So that is Yan Sandhi. I forgot. Okay. Ekadanta Heramba Lambodara Gajananaha. Again, it's a Samasa Padam and as a ends as a Bhagavachana. So Ekadanta Heramba Lambodara Gajananaha.
अस्तु अत्र विनायकः अत्र विशिष्टः नायकः अथवा विगतः नायकः नियन्ता अस्य इति उच्यते विनयति शिक्षयति दुष्टान् एवम् अपि अर्थं वक्तुं शक्यते तत्र णी प्रापणे इति धातुः तत् उभयपदी धातुः भ्वादिगणीय गणे दत्तमस्ति वीणाम् इत्युक्ते पक्षिणां नायकः पक्षिणामपि नायकः इति अर्थः तादृश अर्थे स्वीकुर्मः चेत् तदा कः विनायकः भवति पक्षिणां नायकः इत्युक्ते गरुडः तत्र ण्वुल् तृचौ इति सूत्रमस्ति यथा कर्ता इत्यत्र कारकः भवति किल तथा अत्र विनायकः इति भवति ण्वुल् तृचौ तत्र सूत्रेण तत्र अकः इति आगच्छति हारकः हर्ता हारकः कर्ता कारकः एतादृश अर्थे तत्र वि नि नुल् इति भवति विनायकस्तु हेरम्बे तार्क्ष्ये विघ्ने जिने गुरौ इति मेदिनी ग्रन्थः वदति इत्युक्ते विनायकः इति पदं स्वीकुर्मः चेत् हेरम्बे गणेशस्य तार्क्ष्ये गरुडस्य विषये विघ्नः तदनन्तरं जिनः कश्चन जैन मुनेः विषये अपि गुरौ गुरुः अपि विनायकः भवति इत्युक्ते गुरुकुले आचार्याः सन्ति किल ते विनायकाः इत्युक्ते दे आर् एक्स्पर्ट्स् इन् देर् फील्ड्स् इति देर् इस् नो वन् टु बीट् देम् तादृशार्थे विगतः नायकः यस्य इति विग्रहे अनाथे इति त्रिकाण्डी वदति अवगतं वा
अवगतम्
अग्रे विघ्नराजः अत्र विघ्नानां राजा राजाः सखिभ्यः टच् इति सूत्रमस्ति राजा अहन् सखी शब्देषु टच् इति प्रत्ययः आगच्छति तत्र तत्पुरुषसमासस्य अत्र टङ्कणदोषः उत्तरपदरूपेण राजन् अहन् सखी एतेषु कश्चन शब्दः विधीयते तस्मात् टच् प्रत्यय समासान्तप्रत्ययः भवति एतत्तु पुल्लिङ्गे एव भवति इति किमर्थम् इत्युक्ते स्त्रीलिङ्गे टच् प्रत्ययः न भवति तत्र ङीष् ङीप् तादृश प्रत्ययाः आगच्छन्ति
तदेव न राजन् at the end of tatpurusha compound becomes
raja
declined as Rama. So at the end of tatpurusha compound it's like Ramah, Rajaha, like that.
Rajaha.
This is the basic rule we were taught when we were very young. Only that sentence I'm remembering after 65 years.
राजाः सखिभ्यश्टच् अस्तु तत्र महाराजः मद्रराजः परम अहन् शब्दस्य उत्तम अहन् तादृश अग्रे द्वैमातुरः द्वयोः मात्रोः अपत्यम् माता द्वयमस्ति तत्र जरासन्धः अपि द्वैमातुरः इति मेदिनीग्रन्थः वदति तत् सत्यमेव किल जरासन्धस्य कथां जानाति वा सर्वे
Jarasandha he was born as some sort of a baby, and then he was torn. He was born in two pieces, so he was thrown away.
No. He was not born in two pieces. Actually, he was born dead.
Oh, he was born dead. Okay. And then the Rakshasi picked him up, and then she brought him.
Yes. Actually, he was not born dead, but when he was born, they said he is going to be a tyrant.
Yeah. So
he was they said you kill him. So mother, she was not for it. She threw the baby. She couldn't kill, so she threw the baby, and this
Rakshasi picked up the baby, and she brought him up and nurtured him. But
no, not like that. Actually, they tore him into two pieces.
Yes,
and through. Then the Rakshasi Jara, she picked him up, picked the baby, and joined the two parts, and he became alive again. That is Jaraya Sandhihi Bhavati. So joining. Ataha Jarasandhaha.
And that's why when Bhima killed him, he had to put the pieces in reverse. So he couldn't get back together.
Yes.
So then Krishna also can be called Dvaimatura, no?
So who is the Dvaimatura for Vinayaka?
I mean, who are the two mothers?
Let us see what the Vyakhya Granthas say. Hate Hidimba Ripuna Ragni Dvaimature Yudhi.
Oh.
So this, Then here, what does this say? Hate, Hidimba Ripuna, Ragni, Dvaimature, Yudhi. Hidimba Ripu is Bhima, right?
Yeah.
So, Yuddhe Dvaimature Hate. So, he was killed by he killed Dvaimatura, like that. Saptami Prayoga अस्ति वा अत्र? Hate Dvaimature. Yudhi, in Yuddha, Dvaimature Hate. Hidimbaripuna. Eva.
So basically, is Bhima Dvaimatura?
No. Hidimbaripu is Bhima. Bhima killed Hidimbasura also. So Hidimbaripu is Bhima. Hidimbaripuna, same by Bhima. Dvaimature Ragni. Yudhi Hate.
The Ragni Yudhi both are Saptami, no? Ragni Yudhi. Dvaimature Hate. When the Dvaimatura Jarasandha was killed by Bhima in the royal war. That is the translation. Okay.
So here we have a sutra. Maturut Sankhya Sambhadra Purvayaha. So what does this say to indicate the meaning of his or her offspring? What happens? Bhadra as a Purvapada, Matra as the Uttarapada, then it will be Anpratyaya. So Matuhu is come, no? So that is, there is a Ukaradesha also.
Okay.
Then Durga Chamundabhyam Palitatvat.
Okay.
Gaja Mukhataya Hastinyaha Apatyatvat. Gangayaha Apatyatvat va.
Oh.
That is why he is Dvaimatura.
Dvaimatura. So that way Shanmukha also can be called Shanmatura as well as Dvaimatura.
Here,
where was the Gangayaha Apatyatvat?
Ganga is after all Shiva's consort, no?
Oh, okay.
Mother and stepmother, or whatever you call it.
And the Gaja Mukhataya Hastinyaha, what is that reference?
Gaja Mukhataya, with this face of the elephant.
Oh, elephant face. That elephant had a mother. That elephant's face, which was fixed for him, that face must have had a mother, no? That mother and father. We don't know.
Astu. Dvaimaturo Jarasandha Varananayoho Puman. So Jarasandha Varana Anana. Pullinga Puman. Agre Ganadhipaha. Atra adhikam nasti. Gananam adhipaha sarve jananti. Shivaha iti Halayudha granthaha vad. So Shiva is also Ganadhipa. Because he has this Pramatha Ganas. Ekadantaha. Ekaha dantaha yasya. Atra anekadam tam bhaktanam ekadantam upasmahe. Keep reciting this. So can
Anekam dadati iti anekadaha. Atra anekadam tam. Yaha vinayakaha bhaktebhyaha anekani anekam dadati saha anekadaha. So anekadam tam bhaktanam. Ekadantam upasme.
Tam
Tadeva,
tam ekadantam उपास्महे।
Ah.
अत्र स्कन्देन उत्पाटितदन्तत्वात्.
Oh.
This story I don't know. I thought there was some Indra involved in this. He becoming Ekadanta. I don't know why they have given Skandena.
We know only about the Vyasa story, no? When we had to break the Danta to write the Mahabharata.
Bharata.
Evam va?
But this is see, Vyasa tells him, no, you should not stop in between. And suddenly his ball pen refill went away. I think it became so he had to break open. I mean, break his Danta and start writing.
Oh,
Because he told him not to stop in between.
yeah.
So he had to break the thing. That is the story. But this is Skandena Utpatita Dantatvat. Skanda refers to Subramanya, no?
Yeah.
Or no? This story, I don't know whether the brothers fought and he broke it. What we don't know.
No, I too don't remember. Actually, what I remember is once there was a fight between Indra and Ganesha. That time something happened and this thing broke. That's what I remember. Anyhow, there are so many stories, so let us leave it at that. Then Heramba.
Now the previous sentence, Anekadam tam bhaktanam ekadantam upasamahe. What does that mean?
Anekadam, anekavaram tam bhaktanam ekadantam. Bhaktanam anekadam, the one who gives boons.
Lots of boons.
Lots of anekadam. Tam bhaktanam anekadam tam yaha anekavaram bhaktanam
Dadati.
तादृशम एकदंतम उपास्महे.
हाँ, परंतु अत्र तो एकदंत किमर्थं न आगच्छति?
न.
जनरल सेंटेंस.
हाँ, तत्र तु इत्युक्ते एतादृशप्रयोगः अपि अस्ति इति. अनेकवारं
ओके. Anekadatam. Anekadam tam. So that is dantam. That's how it became dantam.
तदेव. अनेकवारम्.
Okay, so but here it is ekadantah, right? So ekameva varam dadati saha ekadantah.
तथापि वक्तुं शक्यते. अस्तु, हेरम्बः. अत्र हे रणे शिव समीपे वा रम्भते इति दत्तमस्ति. But I searched a lot for this he rane. I couldn't get this actually.
रम्भते इति कः अर्थः?
अग्रे आगच्छति. हः शङ्करे हरौ हंसे. ह इत्युक्ते शङ्करः. हरौ हंसे रणरोमाश्ववाजिषु इति वदति. रण रोम अश्व
वाजिषु. Ashwa and Vaji are the same horses.
Same, yeah, horse.
प्रायः रोमाश्व इति भवितुं शक्यते. There is no explanation. I couldn't get this actually. अत्र नन्दिग्रहि पचादिभ्यो ल्युनिन्यचः इति सूत्रमस्ति. तत्र रविशब्दे पचाद्यच आगच्छति इति दत्तमस्ति. पुनः तत्पुरुषे कृति बहुलं सूत्रमस्ति. So in तत्पुरुष समास तत्र यदि कृत् अफिक्स् कृत् प्रत्ययः आगच्छति चेत् एवं भवितुं शक्यते इति. हेरम्बो विघ्नराजे स्यात् महिषे शीर्यगर्विते इति मेदिनी ग्रन्थः वदति. हेरम्बः विघ्नराजे स्यात् महिषे महिषः तदनन्तरं शीर्यगर्विते इत्युक्ते कः अर्थः इति एकवारं द्रष्टव्यं तत् तदनन्तरम् अमरकोशे गणेशः इत्यर्थे दत्तमस्ति महिषे शौर्यगर्विते इति मेदिनी ग्रन्थं वदति बुद्धभेदे इति त्रिकाण्डी ग्रन्थं वदति
बुद्धभेदे ओके
Mahodaya, this totally went above the head.
इत्युक्ते
So
मेदिनी ग्रन्थः says हेरम्ब word is हेरम्ब right हेरम्बः विघ्नराजे स्यात् विघ्नराजा is गणेश महिषे महिषः महिषः इत्युक्ते
buffalo.
अथवा राजा इति अपि वक्तुं शक्यते बिकास् रणे रम्बते उच्चध्वनिं करोति एतादृशार्थे शौर्य अत्र शीर्य नास्ति एतत् शौर्य इत्युक्ते शौर्यः अस्ति प्रतापः अतः तत्र प्रतापेन गर्वितः भवति इति कश्चन राजा एतादृशार्थे तदनन्तरं बुद्धस्य अपरनाम अपि हेरम्बः इत्यस्ति इति त्रिकाण्डी ग्रन्थं वदति
Oh, so all these are another meaning for Heramba. Okay. And the Prathamam that Krit Pratyay Tatpurusha Samasa, that what is the reference there? Where is the Tatpurusha Samasa there?
हेरम्बः इत्यागच्छति किल so तत्र in a Tatpurusha Samasa what happens when the second member is a word formed with a Krit affix tada seventh case ending is optionally preserved he rambah he rambate iti
so atra saptami kutra asti
हे इत्यस्ति किल तदेव रणे इत्यर्थः
हे रणे शिवसमीपे वा
no parantu saptami is optionally preserved right so where is it preserved
ityukte here rane rambah ityarthः तत्र रणे हे इति तदेव व्याख्यानं वदति we will deal with this in detail later actually once you refer to these sutras after the class maybe then you can take it up लम्बोदरः लम्बम् उदरं यस्य गणेशः गणेशे इति अमरः तदनन्तरं तारानाम्न्यां देव्यां स्त्रीतन्त्रम् तत्र स्त्रीतन्त्रम् इत्युक्ते तन्त्रशास्त्रे किं भवति तत्र they do different practices in tantra shastra even in our recent visit to this Nepal there is one place called Bhaktapur near Kathmandu there they have these some of the temples which open only once a year Lakshmi Tantra something was there and so many Devi temples are there they practice this Tantra Shastra so what they do is on that day some special pujas are performed and entire temple not even a single opening would be there throughout the year to the temple and these tantras are practiced And it is very powerful, it seems. That's what the guide was telling us. So here, Tara Namnyam Devyam Stri Tantram. So what happens? Tatra nish. If it is Stri, then there will be nish pratyaya. Lambodari evo.
Dirghodharadhye.
Dirgha udaradhya. लम्बोदरः स्यात् द्यूने प्रमथायाञ्च नायके इति हेमचन्द्रः वदति। अग्रे गजाननः गजस्य हस्तिनः आननं मुखमेव आननं यस्य इति तत्रापि अधिकं नास्ति। अग्रे कार्तिकेयस्य
महोदय रम्बते लम्बते अपि भवितुम् अर्हति वा? रालयोः अभेदः
भवितुं शक्यते किमर्थम् इत्युक्ते when I search for lambate it's not there. So
lambamanaha, something hanging, I mean, or like that lambodara also the same word, no? Lambate, lamba, something hanging, protruding, I saw something like that. Because they say no, ralayor abedaha.
It can be because when I searched for this Rambate for a long time, I searched, but I couldn't get it.
So Lambate means what? Just hanging? I mean,
something protruding or hanging, something like that.
Lambamanaha.
Lambamanaha. That Lambodara also comes from that only. Lambamanaha udaraha yasya saha Lambodaraha, na? Tadeva. His stomach is sort of hanging like.
Tadeva. Vaktum shakyate.
अत्र गजस्य हस्तिनः
हस्तिनः आननम्.
हस्तिनः तो गजस्य अपि हस्तिनः अपि समाने एव, राइट? व्हाई 2 टाइम्स?
गजस्य तस्य अर्थः हस्तिनः एवमेव.
ओके देन आननं मुखमेव.
आननं.
Okay. So you have written meanings of each one of them, and then you said Ananam yasya saha gajanana.
So what samasa is this?
That's what it is. Bahuvri samasaha, but the way right now you written is that's what I got confused. What is
Astu. So that he rambah tatra rambate lambate ityapi vaktum shakyate tatra.
One more question, Mahodaya. Typically in all the slokas in Amarkosa till now, the words which are there have been always separate. They have never been put in samasa. And that is also the initial sloka also mentioned. That they will be kept separate. We won't mix them together if they are separate. But here we saw that there is a samaspadam with the 3 words in there. Why is it so?
See, when you look at this, when samastapada is done, what did they say? When we are doing a samastapada, we are not mixing strilinga pullinga, right?
Oh, okay.
All of them are pullinga shabdas only.
Okay. And okay. So this is actually Dvanda Samasa. Okay. So we can actually say they are all 3.
Yes, you must use this in our Kamalam class. अग्रिमश्लोकः कार्तिकेयस्य नामानि. तत्र कार्तिकेयो महासेनः शरजन्माषडाननः पार्वतीनन्दनस्कन्दः सेनानीरग्निभूर्गुहः. तत्र हेमा महोदये पठति वा?
कार्तिकेयो महासेनः शरजन्माषडाननः पार्वतीनन्दनस्कन्दः अग्निभूर्गुगः कार्तिकेयः महासेनः शरजन्मा षडाननः पार्वतीनन्दनः स्कन्दः सेनानीः अग्निभूः गुहः। कार्तिकेयः महासेनः तत्र विसर्ग उकार ओकार शरजन्मा षडाननः किं शरजन्मा इति तत्र शरे जन्म यस्य सः इति भवति वा शरजन्मन् इति भवति वा शरजन्मन् वा
पद तत्र सन्धिः
सन्धिः नास्ति पार्वतीनन्दन सेनानीः अग्निभूः द्वयोपि विसर्गस्य रेपः सेनानीः अग्निभूः गुहः अग्निभूर्गुहः both are visarga sandhi visarga repa visargasya repa
अग्रे कार्तिकेयः अत्र कृत्तिकानाम् अपत्यम् you all must be knowing the story of Kartikeya. Can you narrate the story?
See, the spark was 6 sparks of Shiva's this thing Tejas. They fell in different places and they were collected by they fell in that some grass
Ganga.
or something. Gangas. That from there
on the banks of Ganga.
Banks of Ganga. So the 6 ladies, they collected it and put it together and
they nurtured the baby.
They nurtured him.
So that is why
Parvati put them together. Parvati put them together supposedly. They nurtured them as 6 individual babies. And Parvati came and put them all together.
Oh,
evam va. One baby.
Oh, okay. So Krittikanam apatyam. These 6 ladies, they were Krittikas. तत्र स्त्रीभ्यः ढक् इति प्रत्ययः इत्युक्ते ते कृत्तिकानाम् अपत्यम् इति दर्शयितुं तत्र स्त्रीभ्यः ढक् विनतायाः पुत्रः वैनतेयः भवति विनतायाः अपत्यं पुमान् वैनतेयः एवमेव कृत्तिकानाम् अपत्यं कार्तिकेय
अंजनायाः आञ्जनेयः
एवमेव अन्य उदाहरणमपि दातुं शक्यते वा
गङ्गायाः गाङ्गेयः कार्तिकेय अपि गाङ्गेयः भीष्मः अपि गाङ्गेयः न
अस्तु अग्रे महासेनः अत्र महती
सेना
Anil Mahodaya, just now we did this in our Kamalam class. Kartikeya. Mahasenapatihi. Iti Medini Grantha Padati. Vritta Arhat Pitra Visheshaha iti Hemachandra. Ityukte Arhatah iti Jina Guru va Arhatah.
अर्हन्
अतः अर्हत् पितृविशेषः इति हेमचन्द्रग्रन्थः वदति राजविशेषः इत्यपि उच्यते महासेनः महासैन्ये स्कन्दे अपि महासैन्ये स्कन्दे इति अर्थद्वयम् अस्ति तत्र। अग्रे शरजन्म, तत्र शरजन्मन् इति नकारान्त पुल्लिङ्गशब्दः। जन्म तत्र कथम् आगच्छति प्रथमा विभक्त्यां?
जन्मनः
हा
जन्मनौ जन्मनः नकारान्त पुल्लिङ्ग।
तत्र शरवणे जन्म यस्य,
शरवणे जन्म यस्य सः सरेषु। Saravana is that type of grass. That type of grass.
शरेषु जन्म अस्य इति वक्तुं शक्यते। इत्युक्ते शराख्ये तृणे जन्म यस्य। कः समासः?
सरवणे जन्म यस्य बहुव्रीहि तत्पुरुष शरजन्म न बहुव्रीहि एव। शरज इति उक्तं चेत् उपपद तत्पुरुषं भवति। शरजन्म इति उक्तं चेत् बहुव्रीहि एव भवति न।
अग्रे शरे जले जन्म यस्य। शरः शर इत्युक्ते जलम् इत्यपि एकम् अर्थमस्ति। अर्थः
शरवण पोय्गै in Tamil we call it तटाकं।
सो जले जन्म इत्युक्ते तत्र तडागे नास्ति, गङ्गायाः समीपे एव। अतः
परन्तु अत्र बहुव्रीहि
नास्ति वा?
कारणं जन्मः भिन्न अर्थम् अस्ति वा नास्ति न अवगतम्।
इत्युक्ते
Pankaja, that's what we saw, right?
The Pankaja becomes Upapada Tatpurusham. Panke Jatam. Atra Janma iti na. Sharaja iti uktam che Upapada Tatpurusham bhavati. Sharajam. Share Jatam. Panke Jatam. Jalagam. Jale Jatam. Vanajam. All that. Vanajanma.
अत्र शर इत्युक्ते अर्थः कः? तत्र तृणम् अथवा जलम् इति अर्थः। जन्म इत्युक्ते अत्र शरजन्म इत्युक्ते तदा it is referring to somebody. It is neither shara nor
Janma.
Birth.
So Sara is a Tadaga, right?
No. Trinam athava jalam.
Okay. So is it Janma is not born?
Born.
Is
birth.
Is birth. Is birth, not born. Okay.
So when you say Sharajanman, it is referring to Kartikeya.
See, Share Janma, Sharajanma. Sharajanmam yasya saha Sharajanma. Sharajanma.
Okay.
I mean, just for understanding, I don't know whether my definition is right, but for birth on a grass, the one who had his birth on a grass is Sharajanma. Like that. I'm just for understanding and said, I don't know whether it is right or wrong. Sharajanma, like that you can say.
Astu chintayatu.
Okay. So yasya janma
share abhavat bhavati abhavat eva.
Okay. Avgatam. Then bahuvri eva.
Shadananaha. अत्र षट् अत्र कृत्तिकादीनां षण्णां स्तनपानार्थे षट् आननानि यस्य षड् वदनादयः अपि इत्युक्ते तत्र किं भवति तस्य षट् आननानि स्तन्यपानार्थम् आसीत् इति उक्तमस्ति। तदनन्तरमेव यथा रुक्मिणी महोदये उक्तवती पार्वती एव तस्य एकीभवनं कृतवती इति षट् शरीराणाम्। अस्तु, पार्वतीनन्दनः इत्युक्ते तत्र पार्वत्याः नन्दनः कः समासः?
षष्ठी तत्पुरुषसमासः।
षष्ठी।
पर्वतस्य अपस्त्रं ते पार्वती, पार्वत्याः नन्दनः पार्वतीनन्दनः।
स्कन्दः अत्र स्कन्दते, उत्प्लुत्य गच्छति, स्कन्दति, चोषयति दैत्यान्। कति अर्थाः सन्ति? उत्प्लुत्य गच्छति, goes jumping. These young kids, no, they cannot walk, they keep on jumping.
Yeah, walking on their toes.
Yes. उत्प्लुत्य गच्छति। तदनन्तरं स्कन्दति इत्युक्ते तत्र शोषयति दैत्यान्।
शोषयति मतलब ड्राई I mean
makes them suffer actually.
Suffer.
अत्र कार्तिकेयः स्कन्दिर् गतिशोषणयोः इति दत्तमस्ति। नन्दिग्रहि पचादिभ्यः ल्युणिन्यचः सूत्रम्। स्कन्दः इति तत्र नन्दनः इत्यागच्छति किल, तथा स्कन्दः। तदनन्तरं पिण्डः अस्त्रियाम् इत्युक्ते पुल्लिङ्गनपुंसकलिङ्गे कलं क्षेत्रं शरीरं स्कन्दपञ्जरौ इति त्रिकाण्डी ग्रन्थं वदति। क्षेत्रं शरीरं स्कन्दपञ्जरौ। कलम् इत्युक्ते क्षेत्रम् इति।
So is it like Skandaha is also a samasta padam? Yeah, yaha skandate saha skandaha.
I have to check actually. It is not a samasta, but I don't think so.
So skandate is the kriya padam. How did it become skanda?
Actually, I should have added that also. On that dhatu, I forgot to add actually. Skadir, like that something comes, I think.
Astu.
Skadir Gatishoshanayoho ityasti. I forgot to add this. I'll add and then share this thing. Skandati, skandataha, skandanti evam asti. So this is Skadir ityukte bhavadi parasmaipadi.
Parasmaipadi va atmanepadi va?
परस्मैपदी इति दत्तमस्ति अत्र। न
अत्र स्कन्दते इति।
That is the problem, no, with these so many vyakhyas, no. Each book will have their own this thing, and it is very
interpretation.
So skandati eva. There is no skandate. I'll correct that also. अग्रे सेनानीः सेनां नयति
नयति
तत्र
तदपि उपपद
कः
तत्पुरुषमेव
अन्तः
उपपद
सेनानी शब्दस्य कः अन्तः
लीडर् आफ् दि
न अकारान्तः वा
सेनानिन् नकारान्त
नकारान्त पुल्लिङ्गः सेनां नयति तत्र सत्सु द्विष द्रुह तत्र एतत् सूत्र द्रुह दुह युज विद भिद छिद जिनीराजाम् उपसर्गे अपि क्विप् इति सूत्रम् तत्र सेनां देवसेनां वा नयति
सेनापति देवसेनापति
श्रीवल्ली देवसेनापति
सेनापते नटभैरवी
ब्यूटिफुल composition सेनानी स्यात् पुमान् कार्तिकेये सेनापतौ पुमान् अग्रे अग्निभूः अत्र
अग्ने भवति इति
तत्र भुवः संज्ञान्तरयोः तत्रापि क्विप् प्रत्ययः एव तत्र क्विप् कदा आगच्छति भू इति धातुः अस्ति चेत् तदा नाम अस्ति अथवा देयर इज अ श्यूरिटी तत्समये तत्र क्विप् प्रत्ययः भुवः संज्ञान्तरयोः भूसत्तायाम् इति धातुः परस्मैपदी तत्र अग्नेः भवति गुहः गूहति रक्षति पालयति देवसेनाम् तत्र इगुपध ज्ञ प्रीकिरः इति सूत्रमस्ति तत्र गुहः इति आगच्छति किल तत्र कः इति प्रत्ययः गुः संवरणे कः इति रक्षति इति गुहः स्मृतः इत्युक्ते रक्षणां करोति गुहः
so that skandate iti skandati iti skandah also should be something like this, no? Guhati iti guhaha skandate iti skandah. I mean similar the same logic goes. Isn't it how it becomes like that?
तदेव सिंहपुच्छ्यां च गर्ते च पर्वतादेश्च कन्दरे आससाद महावीरः शृङ्गवेरपुरं प्रति यत्र राजा गुहो नाम रामस्यात्मसमः सखा. So actually this is a different statement.
This is a Guha Rama.
Asasada Mahaviraha Shringaverapuram Prati. Yatra Raja Guho Nama Ramasya Atmasama Sakha. So Ramasya Atmasama Sakha Guha Nama Raja.
So Rama is supposed to have said with we are 4, with Guha we became 5. In Kambaramanam it comes like that. Guhanaudu Ivarano.
So what happened here? Asasada, there was a Mahavira. His name was Guha. He was Rama's Atmasamaha Sakha. So Guha means one is Kartikeya, the other is Ramasakha. Avagatam va?
Yes.
So that Guha which wanted to wash his feet before taking in his boat, is that the?
Yes.
Same.
So what is that? Is Guha, right? Or
No.
Guha eva?
Guha.
Okay. And Guhati is like, what does Guhati mean?
Guhati. Guhati.
Rakshati.
Rakshati.
Okay. So Kartikeya Rakshati eva.
Devasenam Rakshati. Devasenam Rakshati. Senam Rakshati. Devasenam api Rakshati. Senam api Rakshati.
Atra Devasenam Rakshati ityukte Devanam Senam Rakshati.
Tadapi bhavati.
Tadeva.
So basically,
No, he's got like both commitments, no? Professional as well as domestic commitments.
See, Kartikeya's wife is Devasena. So here they are very beautifully written here. Devasenam palayati ityukte tatra devanam sena devasena tam palayati पुनः पत्नीमपि पत्न्याः रक्षणमपि करोति. Very beautiful.
Okay. So, but Guha is yaha rakshati saha Guha, right? Yeah, Guhati saha Guha.
Guhati.
Is it like, what is it? So, is it like again Samastapadam or what is it?
Guhati iti guhaha. Evam va.
Oh, okay.
Guhu samvarane. Tatra sutram asti. I forgot to highlight this. Actually, I should have highlighted this. So,
so this is something like the Upapada Tatpurusha, that something like that, no? When the, like suppose, when the verb comes in the end and you get the word, no? Upapada Tatpurusha, something like that only. Only thing, it doesn't have another word in front of it.
Correct.
So beautiful,
so
no?
it can be.
But how the gu becomes gu, there must be some sutram, Panini sutram.
See,
we do not know.
That is why it is given. This sutram is given. Igupadha Jna Prihiraha Kaha. So you should go to this sutra and find out what it is.
In fact, the original dhatu is a guhu only. So that's why maybe it comes back to that.
Guh. Actually, guh also means something hidden, something secret. Guhya. Guhya. That also comes from that word guh. And guha is also there. Guha, cave, something hidden. Guhya also is there.
See, that's why here given, no, this statement.
Rakshati.
Simhapuchyam cha garte cha parvatadescha kandare.
Okay, yeah.
What is this Simhapuncham?
This Simhapucha, this tail.
Tail of the lion.
Lion. So what has to do with this?
That also is guha.
Oh, okay.
Different meanings.
Kandare, Parvatadesha, Garte.
Gartam is valley, you say, no?
Valley. That in that song it comes, no? Annapurne Visalakshe, Unnada Garta Tira. Unnada Garta Tira Viharini. Unnada Garta Tira Viharini. Garta it comes.
Gartava, Gatrava.
Garta. Unnada Garta Tira Viharini.
Tira Viharini. Kari.
Annapurne. Annapurne.
Vishalakshi.
So it is Gartava, Tatra?
Garta, Unnata Garta Tira Viharini. Garta.
Oh, Deep valley.
Deep
Valley Tiraviharini. Evam va?
That is called that place. It is called Dakshina Kashi or something like that. That place.
Which place is this?
This is somewhere the Tanjore Trichy side.
Oh, okay.
Because when I was some 10 years back, for every song I used to refer to the book.
Oh, okay.
I used to refer to the book and go through the meaning and all that. Those were the days. So that it is called Dakshina Kashi. Somewhere Tanjore Trichy, that belt, that particular place.
Okay.
So this talks about that Annapurni, not the Annapurni of Kashi.
Oh, okay.
Oh, this is this Dakshina Kashi or something like that.
Okay.
Now I don't have the book here with me. I have given away the book to somebody. I don't have the book. But the meaning says like that.
Okay.
That's why I remember.
Okay. So this is Garta. Garta is deep valley. Parvatadescha Kandare. So that Guha.
Kankana doshaha mahodaya Parvata desh.
Parvata dehe.
Oh, Parvata dehe cha Kandare.
पर्वत प्रदेशेषु तत्र कन्दरे यत् गर्तः भवति so we have covered today Vinayaka
and
Kartikeya names.
Kartikeya, but I believe there are some more, right?
Some more are there. That we will do in the next class.
What is this? Asasada Mahaviraha Singhabera Puram Prati.
There was Asasada. There was a Mahavira.
Okay. Asasada ityukte?
There was.
Asasada. It's a verb. It's a very remote past. Lung or something. Some prakara.
Lit nasti va?
I forgot what it is. Yes, it's a remote past. Like babhuva. Ramo nama babhuva. Like that. I forgot. Hema might remember.
Oh, Asadhatu eva?
Astatu, yeah.
Oh, okay.
Astu?
Yatra Raja Guho Nama Ramasya Sammasama Sakha.
Ramasya Atma Samaha Sakha. So very close to his heart.
Astu.
Astu. अत्र एव स्थगयामः. सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः, सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः, सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु, मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्. ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः. हरिः ॐ.
धन्यवादः महोदय.
स्वागतम्. Today
धन्यवादः महोदय.
Vijaya Mahodaye has not spoken today. Very busy.
Surprising.
Astu.
He gives lot